Hello everybody. Protect the environment, protect life. Paano ba mag-apply ng permit to operate ng air pollution source installation gaya ng generator set? Very simple yung process. One is application of permit to operate through an appropriate platform of DNR Environmental Management Bureau. Ito ang Online Permitting and Monitoring System. The Online Permitting and Monitoring System or OPMS can be used for our application for permit to operate of generator set. All we have to do is create an account online. We provide our first name, last name, company represented, address where the establishment or office located, the mobile number, landline number if any, email address, confirm the email address, and then the desired password. Next is the uploading of competent evidence of identity, company ID, or any non-government issued ID. We just select our file, save in our computer, laptop, or device, and then upload. Then upload a copy of the government issued ID, driver's license, PRC, and upload company's authorization letter. So if the applicant is the pollution control officer of the company, an authorization letter from the managing head to transact with the DNR EMB through online services. And of course, for the purpose of creating this account. After uploading necessary documents, tick I agree, then push the submit button. And that's it. You have now the account for our application for permit to operate through online permitting and monitoring system or OPMS. So once an account has been created, there will be notification from DNR EMB to the registered email address for activation. So once activated, by providing the three important information during the first time login, the company reference ID, the name of the user, first and last name, and the date of approval of registration to the company registration system. And then the OPMS account and CRS account has been linked to each other. Then you can now access the full features of OPMS, Online Permitting and Monitoring System. Among others, the feature on the application of permit to operate of air pollution source installation. You just provide our email and password. And then at the left corner, you can see the permit to operate button. And then click on it. Apply for permit to operate. Complete the process steps 1 to 6. Step 5 will enable the applicant to download application form for signature and notary, then upload this application form in step 6 along with other requirements Basically, the requirements are picture or brochure of the air pollution source installation, the copy of the certificate of accreditation of the PCO, the copy of the environmental compliance certificate or certificate of non-coverage, the proof of company registration, or if it is a government agency, office, or controlled corporation, certification that the air pollution source installation is a government-owned property. A copy of the environmental management plan signed by the PCO. Now, if the air pollution source installation like genset is considered small or medium or large or environmentally significant um, size of air pollution source installation, there will be a drawing requirements signed by the president or the general manager and the duly certified and signed by registered professional mechanical engineer or chemical engineer or any appropriate engineer or a combination of any of the two. And an engineer's report prepared by the PCO and approved by the president or the general manager. So those are the requirements of the application for permit to operate, and the validity of the permit to operate is 5 years for air pollution source installation generator set less than 300 kilowatts. So we can now apply for permit to operate and granted with permit to operate in this system, the online permitting and monitoring system. I hope you have learned something about this application for permit to operate through online permitting and monitoring system. I am Engineer Jeric Picasso. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Protect the environment, protect life.